Anton. I go by the name Mimi Wewe, and what I'm about to show you is a tutorial on how you can watch movies and series on your Android phone without paying any subscription. And let's get started. First of all, you'll be required to download an app by the name the CW, and here it is. So you'll be required to have this app, so let's go right into it. So the app is loading. Oops. As you can see, it's indicating please check your mobile or Wi-Fi network and retry. But as you can see, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, but the app refuses to open. So when you reach at this point, just go back, go to Play Store, and download a VPN app. And I prefer you download NordVPN, and for me I've already installed it, so we'll just open it. So once it's opened, make sure you have a premium account. So for me, I've already logged in with a premium account, so I'll connect to the United States server. So let's wait and see it's connecting. So it's connected. So once it's connected, go back to your CW channel and click it. Refresh, retry, and here you are. You'll be able to access all channels like the Flash and the new channels like as in shows like Batwoman. We have All American season 2, which has already premiered, so you can just click and wait for it to load. Oops, seems like the network is low, but once you've connected, you're able to watch. So that's my tutorial on how you can watch movies and shows in the CW app when you're not in Kenya or any other country, because the app is restricted to people in the USA only. So if you like, you can check the description below for premium accounts of Nord, and comment if you need a premium account. Thank you.